Let's make a cranberry lime charlotte cake. Hi everyone, welcome to the Cookie Couture. Today I'm going to give a twist to the traditional dessert named Carlota de Limon, and we're going to give it a little Thanksgiving flavor using cranberries. And this dessert is also known as icebox lime cake. This dessert is super delicious and super easy to do that anybody can make. And I am super excited to share this recipe with you, but first, if you're new here in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and let's get started. Please check in the description of this video the ingredients that you're going to need to make this dessert. You're going to start by zesting 2 to 3 key limes. Then you're going to squeeze about 8 key limes. This is really the hardest part of this dessert, and this is one of those recipes that you need to be very accurate in the amount of key lime juice that you are going to add, because a reaction is going to happen and you need the right acidity so the mixture can curdle. Then you are going to add the condensed milk and the evaporated milk into your blender, and then you are going to add the dried cranberries, all the key lime juice, and you are going to blend until everything is very nice and smooth. And this is ready. I love the pinky color that the cranberry gives to this mix. Now, in a 9x12 baking dish, we're going to start assembling this dessert. We're going to start by adding a layer of the mix, and we're going to spread it evenly using a spatula. Now we are going to sprinkle a little bit the key lime zest, and then we're going to start arranging the Galletas Marias. And if in the country where you live you cannot find Galletas Marias, you can use any digestive crackers. And I crack some Marias in half to fill up those spaces. You need to be sure that the mix is covered with cookies, and it should look something like this. Now we're going to repeat the same thing, and we're going to make about 3 layers. We're almost done. We just need to add the last layer of the mix, a little bit of zest, and few dried cranberries on top. Now I am going to refrigerate this dessert for 6 to 8 hours. I hope that you can give a try to this dessert. I am pretty sure that it's going to become one of your favorites. And this is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button, and see you next time. Bye bye.